Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean verbs. So, let's start. Okay, the first one is the Korean translation of the verb to dance, and that is 춤추다, 춤추다. Okay, next comes the Korean translation of the verb to cook, and that is 요리하다, 요리하다. Next, let's see the Korean translation of the verb to sing, and that is 노래하다, 노래하다. Okay, here comes the Korean translation of the verb to stand, and that is 서다, 서다. Next comes the Korean translation of the verb to cry, and that is 울다, 울다. Now let's see the Korean translation of the verb to drive, and that is 운전하다, 운전하다. Okay, here comes the Korean translation of the verb to buy, and that is 사다, 사다. Next, let's see the Korean translation of the verb to sell, and that is 팔다, 팔다. Now comes the Korean translation of the verb to forget, and that is 잊다, 잊다. Next and the last one is the Korean translation of the verb to call, and that is 전화하다, 전화하다. Alright, so today we learned 10 very easy Korean verbs that are used in daily life. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.